Hey guys, I'm back with another vid. Today we're gonna learn how to install Oracle uh, Express Edition, the database, onto our laptops or virtual machines, and then we're also gonna learn how to use SQL Developer. We're not gonna learn how to like do SQL and stuff like that because um, I think I'll make a video on that later. I've already done one using uh, MS SQL, Microsoft SQL, I think, but now I'm just going to show you how to connect to the Oracle one. So you need to go to the Oracle website. I'll put a link to the two files you need down in the description. But you need to go to the Oracle website and then get Oracle Lexi and SQL Developer. Now, I think you can get them for without creating an account. At least that's what I've been told. I had to log into my account to get these, but it could be different for you. So once you've done that, open the zip and then just extract it to wherever you want it to go. So I extracted this to my desktop. You can either click new folder and it creates a new folder with this name, because some cases, if you just click OK, it's just going to just extract all of these files and just put them everywhere. And that's kind of a hassle. So then what you need to do is go over here, this folder, click the setup, and then it's going to run the setup for you. Now, it's going to for some of you, this might happen where it's going to say invalid characters for your directory. That's because let's just go here. So we're here, go to your local disk and then look for this folder. There would be a folder called app here. That's going to be created. This hasn't been created yet. You see, I'm trying to tell you something. The thing is that I'm able to create these files in my database because my name doesn't have a space in it. The name that my username on my profile doesn't have a space in it. It's literally just these four letters. So because some of you probably have your laptops with your full name. So okay, let's just use my full name. The Oracle doesn't like the space here. So you either have to backspace it with the directory or do an underscore. So okay, let's say for example, let's just do an example. This is what the directory would probably look like. So an app, and then here it is the name, and then Oracle DBXE, just like that. This is what it wants it to look like. Okay, not this. I literally just made this up on the spot. So yeah, but it wants either no spaces or an underscore, so your name would be fine. So yeah, that's what a lot of you need to do. So and then once it asks you to confirm your password, right? Then like to enter a password, make it a password that you know you will remember, or make it an easy password like 1 2 3 4. Rather just keep it 1 2 3 4 or something easy that you know you remember, because it would like be a hassle if you need to use this thing again and you completely forgot the password for this. Then you're gonna have to reinstall and create a database again and probably lose all your data. So once you've done that, you need to then extract SQL Developer. Now, fortunately, it's already a folder with stuff inside. So instead of just clicking this extract to, you can just click and drag to your desktop, and then it should be already there. Now we're just going to open this up. Don't forget to drink water, by the way. And this is SQL Developer. Now, you need to click this green button over here. So then we're just gonna call this tutorial DB. Username, go with something like system, and then we use our password. So 1234. Save it. Now down here for the service name, we're gonna type XEPDB1. Now, here's what's really important, like that you need to listen to. When it says host name, right? I have mine as localhost. That is because my localhost is my laptop name. But for a lot of people that I have noticed on their laptops and that, their host name is an IP that they have, you know. So if you just say, like if you click test, mine will succeed because my local host is the same as my laptop name. But some of you, when you click test, you'll get this error here that says they can't make the connection. That's because this thing localhost, that's not your host name. So what you need to do is type CMD in your search panel bar. Run as administrator if you can. It's preferred if you can. And then what you need to do is type in LSNRCTL status. This is called listener control status. So then it's to check to see if you can connect, like your laptop is connected to your database, but it's also to find out what your host name is. So if I press that, you got all of this information here. But our main focus is this. So where it says host, so look for listening endpoint summary, and then when you go down here, first line, host. So here's mine. This is my laptop name. Yours will be a number. Yours will be like a random number, like something like 10.0.0.0.23, something like that. You need to copy that. Save it in a text file for later, and that's so you don't keep forgetting. Or if you're a mad lad, learn it off by heart. But then you need to copy this and then paste it here. So where this localhost is, paste it there. So backspaces and paste it there. And then click test. And if it's success, that means that you can save this database. And then you can connect to it. And then your database is already created. Now there's another thing I just need to add. Some of you have probably already added your Oracle database, and then something happened, and now you need to try and reinstall it to reset your password so you can make a new password. And sometimes when you do that, it's going to say, but there's already an instance of Oracle Database Express already installed. So it won't let you install it, won't let you remove it or reinstall. So there's two things you need to do. You need to go back to your local disk C and delete this app folder. It should let you delete it, but you need to delete this app folder. Once you've done that, you also need to go back to your command prompt and type SE delete Oracle probably not spelling it right, doesn't matter. Oracle service XE. You need to do that, press enter, and it will delete the service off your laptop. And then that will allow you to reinstall your Oracle database. Because that's also another issue I ran into when I was helping others. But yeah, that's basically all you need to worry about for now with SQL Developer. Hope this helps. Sorry I haven't posted that many videos lately. I've just been very busy. But yeah, thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.